Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall and reinstall Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. If any error in first command, use second command. Type exit. Click Start, click Microsoft Store. Type Game Bar in Store search bar. Select Xbox Game Bar. Click Get. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.